Here are 3 pieces of news from the world of the crypto industry. Proton to launch Bitcoin wallet. Fetch.ai ready to surge before the second phase of ASI merger. Launch of Solana ETF? First news. Proton to launch Bitcoin wallet. With Proton wallet, users will be able to send bitcoins via email addresses. Proton, known for its encryption communication and data storage services, introduced its own open-source cryptocurrency wallet. What is Proton wallet? The main goal of Proton wallet is to make cryptocurrency more accessible to beginners and encourage its use as a means of payment. By launching Proton wallet, we aim to offer an open and decentralized alternative to vulnerable financial intermediaries and gatekeepers. By providing people with the ability to easily control their own encryption keys and digital assets, we are creating an internet where financial privacy and freedom are available to everyone, company representatives noted. Proton wallet uses end-to-end encryption to protect keys and metadata. This ensures that even the product developer company cannot access users' digital assets or track their financial activity. Other features of Proton wallet include sending bitcoins via email address. To do this, you only need to know the recipient's email address. The service generates a pool of unused addresses for each wallet with the email transaction option enabled. This method, according to the developers, eliminates the need for complex Bitcoin addresses and reduces the risk of errors. Security and control. Proton wallet can enable two-factor authentication. Additionally, the wallet also has access to Proton Sentinel, a service using artificial intelligence to block malicious login attempts. Management across different devices and support for various platforms. Proton wallet is available for web, Android, and iOS. Currently, Proton wallet only supports Bitcoin. But support for other cryptocurrencies is planned in the future. Proton wallet is currently in early access for Proton Visionary Plan users. The full launch date is not yet known. Those wishing to test the app can fill out a pre-registration form. Developers also promise to release a paid version of Proton Wallet Plus in the future. Proton is a company founded in 2014 by a group of Swiss scientists who met at the European Organization for Nuclear Research. The firm is behind services such as Proton Mail, Proton VPN, and Proton Drive, and has supported digital assets since its inception. Second news. Fetch.ai ready to surge before the second phase of ASI merger. Traders were optimistic about the idea of merging 3 AI tokens into a single asset under the ticker ASI. However, their sentiment noticeably changed after Fetch.ai lost more than 15% in value over the past 7 days. The first phase of merging 3 AI project tokens, Fetch.ai, SingularityNet, and Ocean Protocol, started on July 1st. However, it did not go smoothly, and developers faced unforeseen problems during the first phase. Against this backdrop, investors' previous optimism about the initiative began to wane. Currently, the AI token FED is trading at $1.28, down 2.35% in the last 24 hours. The funding rate deserves special attention. It dipped into the negative zone between July 19th and 22nd. On July 24th, it remained in this range. However, by now, the rate has risen to 0.01% and turned positive. The funding rate is a mechanism that ensures balance between long and short positions in the perpetual futures contracts market. Positive values indicate the dominance of long contracts and mean that the contract price exceeds the spot price. This means more traders are buying the coin expecting to sell at a higher price. Meanwhile, a negative funding rate indicates that more traders are buying the asset expecting its price to fall. If selling pressure increases, Fetch.ai price may remain in a bearish trend. Interestingly, open interest, the value of all open contracts in the market for this token, increased during the same period when positive expectations emerged. If traders actively open new positions on FET, it could help the cryptocurrency recover some previous losses. Technical analysis tools indicate that FET's prospects are not too bright at the moment. This, among other things, is hinted at by the relative strength index, which has currently decreased. Strong support at $1.11 may help prevent further price decline for FET. However, a significant rebound is unlikely now, as the price risks falling below $1.27. Bullish confidence and growing trader optimism may help boost FET's price. Then FET could attempt to overcome resistance at $1.55 and move towards $1.69. Third news. Launch of Solana ETF? One of the world's largest asset managers, Franklin Templeton, overseeing $1.64 trillion, expressed support for Solana. In the cryptocurrency community, discussions have started about whether the company intends to file for a SOL ETF. Franklin Templeton representatives mentioned Solana among other interesting developments contributing to the growth of the crypto industry. Franklin's interests extend beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum. In one of their recent posts on X, company representatives emphasized Solana's ecosystem potential. Besides Bitcoin and Ethereum, there are other exciting and significant developments that we believe will contribute to the growth of the cryptocurrency space. Solana shows significant adoption and continues to improve, overcoming the technological difficulties of growth and highlighting the potential of high-performance, monolithic architectures. Positive opinions from Franklin about Solana fueled discussions about the upcoming launch of SOL ETF. Some crypto community members believe that the asset manager might be the next to file for such an exchange-traded fund. Van Eck and 21 shares have already taken this step. According to the ETF store president Nate Geraci, the next cryptocurrency to form the basis of an ETF will be Solana. Bitwise Chief Investment Officer Matt Hogan agrees with this view. He believes that next year will be the era of crypto ETFs. In early July, the Chicago Board Options Exchange filed a 19B4 form for listing a Solana ETF. Using this form, organizations proposed changes to market rules, in this case, to allow the registration of exchange-traded funds based on SOL. Public discussions on this initiative will last until 2025. Political events may also influence the likelihood of Solana ETF approval. It seems that the final deadline for the Solana ETF will be in mid-March 2025. But the most important date before that is in November. If Trump wins, anything is possible, noted Bloomberg ETF senior analyst Eric Balchunas. Meanwhile, spot Ethereum ETFs have finally launched in the US. In honor of this, Franklin Templeton even changed their avatar on X. The main photo in the company's profile now features Benjamin Franklin with the ETH logo instead of eyes.